Alright, in number 3, we're going to need to rewrite this a little bit before we get started. Remember when we started with indefinite integrals, a lot of times we had to rewrite our integral before we could do the antiderivative. So here, we're doing a definite integral from 1 to 4. Square root of 16, I can simplify to 4. And then square root of x to the 5th, I could rewrite as x to the 5 halves. So now, it's in a better form for me to do the antiderivative. So to do that, we're going to add 1 to the exponent, which gives us x to the 7 halves, and then divide by this new exponent, or multiply by its reciprocal, which gives us 8/7 times x to the 7 halves. And we're evaluating that from 1 to 4. So we can evaluate this. We get 8/7 times 4 to the 7 halves, minus 8/7 times 1 to the 7 halves. So this is one I wouldn't necessarily expect you to do without a calculator. We can go ahead and punch that in the calculator, and if you do, you should get 1016 over 7, which is approximately 145.14. Now, one thing you can do also with this type of problem is at this step, we can actually go ahead and do it slightly differently than we did up here. That constant can be pulled out. So that 8/7, we could evaluate it like this, times x to the 7 halves. And just evaluate the function part, the constant can stay out in front, so we could have it as 8/7 times 4 to the 7 halves minus 1 to the 7 halves. Which you see is basically the same thing here, it's just having that factored out. We could factor it out here, or if we wanted to here, we could do that, but just another option in certain situations that may be helpful.